Who are you and where are you taking us?
Hi, this is Bill with Kettle Moraine Heating. Welcome to my vlog, episode number 2. So today what we're doing is we're going to go to a couple different places. The first one is going to be Prairie View Elementary School. And the reason why is one of our service technicians that used to work for us a number of years ago, his wife is the librarian at the elementary school, and she asked us if we would read a chapter of one of their kids' books to the kids' classroom. And so we replied that we would love that opportunity, and so we're going to read a chapter to the children in the classroom. And our second stop today is going to be at a job that we're doing, a furnace installation, where the furnace that was purchased was actually bought at an auction, and this was a charity auction for a school in the community. They're raising money for the school as well as the church, and so we donated a furnace. The furnace was auctioned off at their Follow the Yellow Brick Road fundraiser, which is kind of like a dinner and dancing gala. So we'll stop by that installation and we'll see how the installation crew is doing, and we'll see if we can't say hi to the homeowner. And Chuck, if you could introduce yourself. And
Hey, this is Chuck here, also with Kettle Moraine Heating, and I'm excited to go on this little adventure with you, Bill.
Everyone out there, Chuck didn't know he was doing this today. It's pretty common that I spring things on Chuck about 5 or 10 minutes before a major adventure. So that's one of the things I sprung on him this morning. And this is his first time actually using the gimbal that the phone is in. So you're going to learn with us today, because we both don't know how to use it very well.
See, it's just out of control. I don't even know what's going on. So Bill, I know I'm busy today, and I know you're busy today. Why did you say yes to this, reading the books to these kids?
Well, for one thing, the employee that used to work for us was super dedicated, and I knew his wife the entire time. Actually, he was they were boyfriend girlfriend. Then they got married, and I knew them the entire time, or her the entire time that he worked for us, and I knew that she was always very passionate about her job and the kids and school and stuff like that. And he did such a great job for us. I thought that when she asked if we would be willing to do it, I thought that that would be a great gesture. He spent a lot of time working late hours, finishing jobs at 7 o'clock with me, and starting boilers up that were I was pulling him away from the family and stuff. So I just kind of thought it would be a nice gesture in that respect. And the other thing is that the school that we're going to is Prairie View Elementary, and that was in North Prairie. And even though we just moved our shop to Delafield, we spent 6-7 years in North Prairie, and the amount of customers that we had there is very large. A number of many of the children that go to the school have parents that bought furnaces from us and live in houses that are heated and cooled by us. So I thought that was pretty interesting. The next thing would be is that we keep talking about finding employees, and we talked about going to tech schools and finding candidates there. We brushed on the topic of going to high schools and participating in days where they might have employers come. Well, one of the things that Anna, who is Cody's wife, who is the librarian, she said that the kids might be interested in learning about your job too, and what you do every day. And so that was kind of interesting to me, that we maybe could get kids interested in trades. I know that when I was younger, you have the firefighter or the policeman bring the squad car or the fire truck to school, and you get to climb through when you're a kid. And I thought that they'd be kind of like the same thing. And hindsight being 2020 right now, short on preparation time, I guess I should have brought in one of our installation trucks, and I should have okayed it with one of the teachers to have one of the kids, or all the kids, be able to go in the truck and see it. We did participate a long time ago in a Chamber of Commerce event that was Touch a Truck, and we did have a police car next to us, a fire truck next to us. We had our truck, a wood flooring truck that was there. They were participating in the event, and all the kids with their parents got to come in, hop in the truck, and see all our tools and kind of how or what we did inside the truck. So that was kind of my why behind it. And Chuck, what is your role today?
I'm just here to point and shoot. I'm just filming this whole adventure. I'm just planning on learning, and I have a kid who's about the age that we're going to go visit, so I'm excited to always interact with kids. I like to do my volunteer work with my kids' school as well. So this is even though it was sprung on me kind of last minute, this is something that is kind of near and dear to my heart as well.
One of the things, is it going?
Yep.
Okay. One of the things that we're going to try to do is we're going to try to stop at our old shop here real quick, and the reason why is because we had some Dave Lennox signs on sticks that I wanted to try to give the kids and maybe do a picture with them if we have enough of them. So that was one thing we're going to try to stop. And I kind of wanted to try to do a giveaway. We're going to go through our home show pile, and we're going to see if we can't find some giveaway balls, stress balls, or little trinkets and stuff. So we're pulling into the shop that we moved from about 2 or 3 weeks ago. Let's go to the classroom first.
Very good.
Thank you.
Yeah, have fun.
Thank you. Thanks.
Yep. Are you, you're videoing and recording?
Well, so we were trying to do a vlog of community service.
Oh, neat.
And so that's where we kind of sit, and we're really horrible with a gimbal. They can. It's a free for all for questions. To see
No, they're going to be well behaved.
They just said recess?
Yeah, they're coming in.
Perfect. See in the end who's right.
I already know.
Yeah.
Don't tell us. Yeah, I already know.
So I have a funny story to tell you, something really unique.
I read the book.
So me and your teacher went to kindergarten together, or preschool together.
You did.
Yep.
I know, I didn't tell you that this morning.
Yeah.
Miss Vic.
I had to leave something, a surprise.
I just found out today. Well, I know the librarian, Anna, Mrs. Mack.
Yeah.
Do you all know Mrs. Mack?
Yeah.
So I used to work with Mrs. Mack's husband for about 6 years, and his name's Cody.
Cody is thin.
And we used to do heating and air conditioning together. We used to install furnaces and air conditioners together.
Are you
Okay.
the boss or the whole thing?
I am, yes, and we worked all together.
Are you the company?
Well, so my dad started the company a long time ago, and so a number of years ago, my sister and I just took it over, if that makes sense.
Recess is blacktop only today. Recess is blacktop only.
You already knew that.
Thank you.
Okay, flat tire.
So when are you going to finish the book?
Right before spring break.
A couple years. Yeah, it takes a while. I thought it was a couple of years. It's going to take for 5 minutes.
Now, are we going to do a book report?
Ladies and gentlemen, I need to see hands up if you have an answer for his question. Polite manner sitting on the carpeting.
All right, that was a lot of fun reading to those kids. Now we're off to where?
We are off to our charity donation, where someone bid on the auction item, which was the furnace that we donated. Lennox donated the furnace, and we donated the installation. It was for a school and church donation. So we don't know the exact address of the job because we just know the road that it was on, so it's close to our new shop. So we're gonna stop at that job and just see how everything's going, and talk with some of the installation guys and see how their day is going. So until we get to the job, we'll be back. All right, so we're at our installation. Let's go this way. Let's look inside the truck and see how they fabricate sheet metal in the wintertime. Sheet metal is always cold. All right, so it looks like they've got their heater going in the truck, and they've already fabricated probably some of the sheet metal already. But let's go inside, Chuck, and let's see who has to move the old furnace. This is one that could have had a bad heat exchanger. Well, it's at least 20 years old. It's good they got rid of it. All right, let's go this way. Go this way if you'd like. All right, so the furnace that was donated to the auction that was bid on was a modulating gas furnace. And here's an installation technician, that's Bill, doing some customization. And now we'll see where the furnace is getting installed. So it looks like they are working on the PVC pipes here. Got to put some bracing on it. And they're putting a new cold air drop in with a new radius boot for nice smooth airflow. And this will make the family very nice and comfortable. All right, so we visited the 2 stops that we wanted to do today. We just wanted to remind everybody that, again, the reason why we did this stuff today was because the community that supports our business and keeps all of us working and giving us our own paycheck, it's important to give back to them and do things like this for the kids and do things like this for schools and churches, and just be there for the community that takes care of us. So I hope you look forward to, there's the installation manager. I hope you look forward to seeing our episode 3. So this was episode 2, and thank you for joining us.